I'm JJ Murphy, City Manager of the City of Palmdale, and we are so excited to have been selected as a finalist for Smart Cities Readiness Challenge. Palmdale is a city of approximately 152,000 engaged residents, located about 60 miles northeast of Los Angeles in what we call Aerospace Valley. If you haven't heard of Palmdale, you certainly are familiar with some of the amazing technologies that have been built, operated, or designed here. All the space shuttles, NASA's SOFIA flying telescope, which just captured images of water on the moon, and the iconic B-2 bomber, to name a few. We have been actively engaged in collaboration with our local stakeholders, such as our local school districts, aerospace partners, medical centers, and water agencies to identify and develop areas where we can enhance the livability and workability in our community. Three key areas we are focusing on are technology and innovation, public safety, and sustainability. When it comes to technology and innovation, it has been a high priority for Palmdale to help close the digital divide. The impacts of COVID-19, which created distance learning for our schools, shed light on the need for improved access and quality of connectivity to the internet. There will be a 5G technologies available soon, which will help those who can afford it, but not all in our community will have that luxury. We are looking to work with the various carriers to ensure widespread implementation in the city to partner in programs that bridge the digital divide to better serve our residents, schools, and businesses with equitable and affordable access. In addition, the city is currently working on an innovative project to implement a citywide fiber optic network system, which will install about 800 miles of fiber capable of providing high-speed internet service to every premise in the city. Designed to address the digital equity, the system will enable multiple service providers to offer low-cost broadband service to all and discounted service to disadvantaged customers. With recent wildfires, put a spotlight on public safety, not just in our community, but communities across California. Because we live on the San Andreas Fault, earthquakes are always a safety concern as well. And believe it or not, while we are a desert community, we also face the risk of flash floods. To assist our public safety communication efforts, we are exploring the use of drone technology to assist in emergencies. Drones would be helpful in search and rescue operations, crowd monitoring, 3D modeling for security planning, and coordinating with local firefighters as they battle nearby wildfires. We are also looking at deploying a mass notification system to allow us to communicate with citizens and businesses in the community in a timely and accurate manner during a crisis. And finally, the city is continuing to develop our Complete Streets plan, which will enable several different modes of transportation, such as walking, driving, biking, public transit, to thrive citywide in a safe and efficient manner. Lastly, the recent fires and extreme heat over the summer led to interruptions in power, which impacted our community. Palmdale is working towards building energy sustainability in a couple of ways. One, we're creating a community choice aggregation program to not only provide cleaner local energy at competitive rates, but also to ensure energy dollars are kept local to be reinvested back into the community through city programs and energy projects. Two, we are exploring the options of having battery storage located at many critical city sites, as well as developing a program to deploy battery backup storage to our customers citywide. We are looking at options where these resources could be part of an overall virtual power plant, microgrid, use case for the city, or individual areas of community resiliency networks, such as connecting our local schools, law enforcement, or fire department facilities. Through such programs, the city will collect energy usage data to better measure and monitor our distributed energy resources. What we hope to accomplish through these efforts is an even more effective and enhanced collaboration between the city and our stakeholders, which will allow us to expand available technologies, public safety resources, and sustainability programs to include the entire community in a workable cost revenue sharing model to have the greatest impact. In closing, as Palmdale moves forward to develop policies and practices to address our technology, public safety, and sustainability needs, we are working with industry consultants to create a path that can be successfully monitored and measured for success, not only fiscally, but by having a positive impact on our residents and stakeholders. We are happy to share our experiences with any city who may be engaging in some of these same issues, and we look forward to learning from the others how their journey is going to build better and more resilient communities. Since COVID-19 struck, we began and have been living a mantra of Palmdale Cares, and it has permeated into everything we've been doing. I believe that pursuing our goals that I've discussed, we are showing our community and anyone who would benefit from what we're doing that Palmdale truly cares. Thank you.